The breaking news: US President Donald Trump spoke with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday, US Ambassador to India Sergio Gore said. The call comes amid delays in the India US trade deal after Trump imposed 50% tariffs on India over its continued purchase of Russian crude. Our call of the day: Nifty is set to jump out of the gate after Trump says agreed to a trade deal with India, lowers rate from 25% to 18% after phone call with PM Modi. Bottom line, all bullish eyes on Nifty's all-time high at 26,373.20 with an interweek perspective. Keep your all-time high cap ready. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1833 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2446 crores. Sentiments are likely to be super bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive rebound play. FANO February month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 13.86 levels. At last check, USD INR, February, has slipped near the 91.65 levels. Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 0.83. Nifty outlook: the bulls are likely to be everywhere at Dalal Street. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5088. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,000 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,751 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,000 and 25600. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 81666. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 81,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,700 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,500 to 83,500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 58619. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,000 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,500 and 60500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The stars seem perfectly aligned this Tuesday morning, with multiple catalysts pointing Nifty and Indian equities to simply rocket. Kevin Warsh's recent nomination as the next chairman of the US Federal Reserve. US Ambassador Sergio Gore, in an exclusive interview with CNN News 18, termed the newly announced India-US trade deal, cutting India's tariffs from 50% to 18%, as ushering in a new era of India-US relations, adding that both President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi are great leaders. Stocks in spotlight. Here are Q3 FY26 corporate earnings to trickle in this Tuesday, 3rd February. VBL, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Solar Industries, Pidilite. Wednesday, 4th February, Tube Investments, Tata Power, Cummins, Apollo Tyres, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, HFCL. 1. Hero MotoCorp, plus 2.43%, 5,636 rupees. Hero MotoCorp declined despite the company's total sales jumped 26% to 5,57,871 units in January 2026 compared with 442,873 units in January 2025. 2. Hyundai Motor India, plus 1.54%, 2,175 rupees. Hyundai Motor India reported a consolidated net profit of 12,344 crore rupees for Q3 FY26, up 6.3% from the previous year.